Hello guys, bonjour. Now this video is on text C. You might have seen text A and text B for the paper 2 reading 2024 examination. Now this is text C. So let's solve this paper guys and see how difficult it is. You see, this is the text C. This is the title. It says Tekki chante la Guyane à la internationale. So this is the title, and now you have how many paragraphs on the trois quatre. So you have 4 paragraphs for this particular text, and now straight away move to the questions. So the first question type is you need to find out the words. It says trouver les mots qui complètent les phrases suivantes, which completes the following phrases. Utilisez les mots tels qu'ils apparaissent dans la paragraphe. So use the words from the paragraphs basically to complete these lines. So we need to find out, the first is Tekki chante. So Tekki is a singer. So what kind of singer it is? He is basically, and let's sing. It says Tekki est un jeune artiste guyanais. So this is the answer. So he is a young artist from Guyana. So this is the answer. So you will write Tekki est un chanteur, and then you will write Guyanais. That's it. For the second one, il chante généralement. He sings generally sa langue natale, in his native language. So next, il chante généralement in his native language, dans sa langue natale. So we need to see logically and grammatically both in the most to complete the sentence. Now the question number 26, it says la artiste préfère de sa jeunesse était. The preferred artist while he was young, during his youth, was, and let's see, we need to find out. Il écoutait beaucoup Michael Jackson lorsqu'il était petit. So he used to listen a lot Michael Jackson when he was small. Basically the answer would be Michael Jackson. And then maintenant, and now his inspiration comes from what? We need to find out. C'est à présent de lui-même, and right now it is he himself qu'il puise son inspiration. So he himself is inspiration, so you will put the answer lui-même. De lui-même would be the answer. So maintenant son inspiration vient de lui-même. Now the 28th, le désir de Tekki c'est de, the desire of Tekki c'est de, il veut réussir à tout prix. He wants to be successful at any cost. He wants to be successful. So desire of Tekki is to be successful. Now let's move ahead to the question number 29. Basically 29 to 32 you have to find out whether it's true or false, and then you need to give the justification. Tekki porte son nom depuis sa naissance. So Tekki is is carrying his name since his birth. So since his birth, Tekki is his name. So let's find out whether it's true or not. It says Tekki dont le vrai nom est Kevin Kam. So his true name is, his real name is Kevin Kam. So that is not correct. So this would be faux. So you will mark faux. So, and then justification, obviously you will put what line suggests you is that it is not true. You will write this as the sentence. And then the second one, Tekki connaît plusieurs langues. He knows many languages. We need to find out whether it is true or false. So en grandissant, il se nourrit de différentes cultures en plus de sa langue natale. His native language is le Njuka, and il parle anglais et français. So he speaks apart from his native language. He grown up with all these languages. So that is correct, so it's vrai. So in justification you will write from here till here. So this is the correct answer. For the 31, Tekki a commencé à chanter quand il a quitté la lycée. So he has started to sing when he quit the high school. And let's see, lycée means high school, whether that's true or not. So it says quant à la musique, elle a très tôt influencé le cours de sa vie. Je chantais depuis l'âge de 5 ans. So I used to sing since the age of 7 years. Mais depuis que j'ai quitté la lycée, je me suis dit que j'allais vraiment me lancer dans la musique. So he started to sing at the age of 7 years. So that's 4. So after leaving the high school, he started to believe that yes, he needs to, do more things. Depuis l'âge de 7 ans should be the justification here. So Tekki déteste sa langue natale. The Tekki hates his native language. So let's see. Cette langue, il y est très attaché. This language he is very attached to. So he doesn't hate it. So this should be the correct explanation or justification. Now we have the last 4 questions in the end. Here we need to find out the right answers. So it says répondez aux questions suivantes. So we need to find out the answers from paragraph 3 et 4, 3 and 4. Pour Tekki, le chanteur, qu'est-ce qui est la plus importante? For Tekki, the singer, what is the most important thing? It says en plus de faire ce qu'il aime, à savoir vivre de sa musique, ce qui compte le plus, what counts the most, what is important, for him. Au jeu de Tekki, in the eyes of Tekki, for Tekki, c'est de faire connaître sa langue natale. Faire connaître means to introduce, is to introduce or to be with the native language, So that is more important with him, that he is in touch with his native language. So the faire connaître sa langue natale. So this is important for him. So that is the answer question. Now question number 34. Qu'est-ce que Tekki a fait pour que les gens, pour que means so that, pour que les gens comprennent bien ses chansons. So what he has done so that the people understands well his songs. Pour permettre à ses auditeurs de le comprendre. This is important. To allow to his listeners to understand. Auditeur means listeners. To understand. Il a pris la initiative. This is important. Now this is what he has done. Il a pris la initiative. He has taken the initiative. De sous-titrer tous ses clips. To subtitle all his clips. In different language. So that this is what he has done. That people should understand his songs. Qu'est-ce qui montre la popularité de Tekki? What shows the popularity of Tekki? Now let's look at the 4th paragraph. It says Tekki a déjà plus de 100,000 fans sur les réseaux sociaux. So this is a big number. So he is very popular. So what shows the popularity of Tekki? So this is what should be the answer. That's it. I would suggest do not write very long answers. Just to the point what is needed. Now 36. The last question is qu'est-ce qui caractérise les chansons de Tekki? What is the beauty of the songs of Tekki? So give to you 2 details. So it says on trouve la intensité émotionnelle de sa voix. The emotional intensity of his voice. Right, this is the one thing. Then couplet a des notes aussi mélodieuses. Right. Melodious notes basically. So basically you need to mention 2 answers. Guys, this is Texte C, and now you can also check the description of each text to download the mark scheme for each of the paper properly, and you can see text A, text B and text C there along with the mark scheme. Guys, au revoir. Keep watching. Take care.